Most pig farms do not fail because of bad luck. We have made mention of such videos in our previous videos, and it is very important that we do it again for the entrance of the newcomers in the business. They fail rather because of repeated mistake. And the painful part is that most of those mistakes are mistakes that one can easily avoid. Yes. So in this video, I want to share 5 mistakes that destroy pig farms in Nigeria. Mistake number 1 is poor feed management. As we all know, in pig farming business, that feed is one of the biggest costs on any pig farm. If you waste feed or overfeed or even underfeed, you create problems immediately. Mistake number 2 is lack of record keeping. In fact, you must be up in doing, because if you are not tracking breeding, health, cost, and performance, then you are managing blindly. Mistake number 3 is weak disease control. It's definitely more interesting, because pig farming without biosecurity is dangerous and bound to face the negative results that comes with it, because one health issue can affect other animals very, very quickly. Mistake number 4, I can say, is poor structure. Some farms run on emotion, while others run on casual decisions that never last. A farm needs routine, good management, and accountability. Mistake number 5 is starting beyond your capacity. Many people start too big and also without having a good system like funding or management, discipline to support the science. And that is why I always say it is better to start small and structured than to start big and confused. At Ugocentury Pig Farm, we are focused on building the right way. We are documenting the real journey of pig farming in Nigeria with actual system and actual farm discipline, because agricultural wealth is built only with structure, not with pressure, and definitely not with hype. Only good system and management succeeds in this business of pig farming. So if you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and follow our farm journey. I am Ugocentury. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.